Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable extensions in both Google Chrome and Firefox's Incognito mode. So generally speaking, this kind of defeats a little bit of the purpose of why you go in Incognito mode, since the add-ons/extensions will be tracking your browsing history to some degree. But I'm going to show you guys how to do it regardless. So we're going to go about starting by opening up, let's do Google Chrome first, and we're going to select the three-dotted icon up at the top right to open up the settings menu, and then we're going to select more tools, then select extensions. Now select whatever extension you want to also load in incognito mode, select the details button that corresponds to it, and then where it says allow in incognito, toggle this to the on position. Once you're done with that, now if you launch incognito mode, it will also work in incognito mode, so pretty straightforward. And now let's do the same thing with Firefox here. So let's close out of here, and let's open up Firefox. We're going to select the menu icon up at the top right, then we're going to select add-ons, select extensions, and now any extensions in here, we're going to go click the little three-dotted icon next to it, and then select manage. It says run in private windows. You want to go select the allow option, and then you just would close out of here and then relaunch the browser, and then it would take effect. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.